Echizengani is the king of winter tastes and representative of Fukui Prefecture. The fishing grounds of Echizengani are offshore in the Sea of Japan. Even among Zuaigani caught in the Sea of Japan, only the Echizengani caught in Fukui Prefecture are presented as offerings to the imperial family. This Echizengani is the treasure of Fukui Prefecture. Every year from November 6th, Echizengani season begins. Bottom net fishing boats that have been waiting for this day sail out all at once to go fishing. Fishermen become nervous at the moment the nets are brought up. In search of Echizengani, the treasure of Fukui Prefecture, every year from November 6th to March 20th, fishing for Echizengani goes on without rest. On a leg of the Echizengani, a yellow tag is attached. This is proof of where it was grown. Among the Echizengani, the special brand Echizengani Kiwami is less than 0.5% of the total amount of catch, and the size and shape is the best among Echizengani. The Kiwami tag is proof of this. Echizengani sold in auctions are shipped while still alive and boiled in a large pot. Sweetness and firmness is characteristic of Echizengani. Eat it with gusto. This is the epitome of the delicious taste of winter of Fukui Prefecture. By all means, enjoy it.